With ondeso, you can manage your heterogeneous production systems effortlessly. You can also capture, install, and update software products from any vendor on your systems. From your central control station, you can keep track of the systems and their current operating status and initiate an installation or update directly. ondeso integrates seamlessly into your production processes and allows an operation-oriented and documented approach to the installation and update of the software you use. Automation of software distribution allows the management of large infrastructures and ensures consistent results regardless of the person performing the task. You also always have an eye on changes in your infrastructure. The operating system can be updated as well as a specific software product. The execution of the specified software installation can also be initiated on-site and executed during the next maintenance window. In this way, you ensure the stable operating condition of your systems, minimize security risks, and ensure the constant availability of your production systems. ondeso, industrial IT made in Germany. Designed for industrial usability.